Hey everyone, Namaste, Minasan konnichiwa. Welcome to our channel by Bhasha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali.
So today we'll be making super easy, super healthy dahi chicken recipe.
The word dahi means yogurt. So today's recipe is an Indian style yogurt chicken recipe.
For more such easy and amazing recipes, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the
Bell icon.
So without any further delay, let's get started with
Dahi chicken.
To make this no oil healthy chicken recipe, first let's crush ginger and garlic. You may also use ginger and garlic paste instead. Roughly chop 500 grams chicken. We are using breast pieces only as they have high protein and low fat. You may also add thigh and leg pieces if you want. We will marinate the chicken first. Add about 4 tablespoons plain yogurt, crushed ginger and garlic, salt as per taste, 1/3 teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/3 teaspoon cumin powder, a pinch of red chili powder, and mix well to combine all the spices with the chicken and yogurt. You may refrigerate this marinade overnight or like us keep it for 5 hours. It's been 5 hours now. Let's cook the chicken. Heat a pan on medium heat for about a minute and then add the chicken to it. Add some water if you want and keep stirring in intervals. Once you see a change in color of the chicken and marinade, cover and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. If you are using leg and thigh pieces, then you may need to cook this for 12 to 15 minutes. Take off the lid and as you can see, there will be a lot of water in the pan. Push the chicken pieces to the side of the pan so that all the water is concentrated in the middle. This will ensure that excess water is reduced. If you want, you can remove the chicken pieces so that the chicken is not overcooked. You can check to see if the chicken is done. Your spoon should make an easy slice in the piece and the inside should not be pink but a nice white. And that's it! Yummy dahi chicken. Serve with brown rice or whole wheat rotis and your healthy protein low fat meal is ready. Garnish with some coriander and enjoy.
So wasn't that a very easy yet healthy recipe? We hope you can try it out sometime.
Let us know your thoughts about our healthy recipes in the comments below, or you can also DM us on Instagram. All the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye bye.